In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate MailerLite with Framer, a process that allows you to seamlessly embed customized forms on your website. This is an invaluable tool for capturing leads and engaging with your audience more effectively. So, let's dive right in. First, head over to MailerLite and log into your account. If you're new to MailerLite, getting started is easy, and you'll soon see why it's a powerful platform for email marketing and more. Once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to the Forms section. Here you'll find various options to create and manage your forms. Click on Create Form to begin the process. This is where you'll decide the type of form you want to use. MailerLite offers three main options: Embedded Form, Pop-up, and Promotion Pop-up. Each type of form has its own unique benefits depending on your needs, so choose the one that fits best with your project goals. After choosing your form type, you'll move on to designing the form itself. This is where your creativity can really shine. Spend some time selecting colors, fonts, and fields that align with your brand identity. Remember, an appealing form can greatly increase conversion rates, so make it engaging and straightforward. Once you're satisfied with the design, click on Done Editing to finalize your form setup. The next crucial step is to copy the embed code. This code is essentially the bridge that connects MailerLite with your Framer project, making it possible to display your form exactly as you've designed it. With your embed code copied, you can now shift over to Framer to complete the integration. Open up your Framer project, where you want to add the form. Framer's user interface is intuitive, so you should quickly be able to find where you want to place your form. Look for an embed component and add it to your project. This component is designed to handle HTML and script tags seamlessly, which makes it ideal for inserting forms and other elements that require custom code. Now, paste the MailerLite embed code into this component. Depending on your design, you might need to adjust the size of the embed block to ensure it fits well within the layout of your page. Framer allows for flexible resizing, so don't hesitate to tinker around until you get things just right. Once your form is properly positioned and looks good on the page, the final step is to publish your site. By doing so, you'll push all the changes live, making the form visible to your audience. This will enable you to start collecting valuable user data and feedback right away. Integrating MailerLite with Framer is a straightforward process that, once completed, will enhance your site's functionality and user interaction significantly. Thanks for following along, and happy designing.